Student, today we are going to start with the notes of the combined book, page number 91, lesson number 12. निकाला आपने page number 91? Okay. Complete the table. First question is complete the table. Write what they eat. Animals, the part of a plant that it eat. उन्होंने एनिमल्स के नाम दिए और उसके आंसर हमें लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट है गोट, उसका आंसर है leaves, Leaves, leaves of the the plant, plant, plant. Come to second, butterfly. The answer is nectar, nectar, nectar of the the flower, flower, flower. Come to question number 3, that is caterpillar. उसका आंसर है leaves, leaves, leaves of the plant, plant, plant. Come to question number 4, mosquito. उसका आंसर है sap, sap, from, from the the plants, plants, plants. मैं वापस बोलूँगी. गोट का है leaves of the plant, बटरफ्लाई का है nectar of the flower, कैटरपिलर का आंसर है leaves of the plant, मॉस्किटो का आंसर है sap from the plants. Okay, my dear children. Now come to question number 2. Fill in the blanks. Dash helps to repair the wear and tear of our body. डैश में लिखो फूड, FOOD, फूड. मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ. फूड हेल्प्स टू रिपेयर द वेयर एंड टेयर ऑफ आवर बॉडी. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर बी. Beside grass and hay, horses are given dash soak in water. डैश में आएगा बेंगल ग्राम, BENGAL, बेंगल ग्राम, GRAM, ग्राम. मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ. Beside grass and hay, horses are given Bengal gram soaked in water. Come to question number C. Wild animals hunt other animals and eat their dash. डैश में आंसर आएगा flesh, FLESH, flesh. Wild animals hunt other animals and eat their flesh. Come to question number D. Dash suck people's blood. डैश में आएगा mosquitoes, MOSQUITOES, mosquitoes. Mosquitoes suck people blood. Now come to the next question, E1. In the presence of dash, plant make their own food using the water and air in the leaves. डैश में क्या आएगा बेटा आंसर? सनलाइट, SUNLIGHT, sunlight. In the presence of sunlight, plants make their own food using the water and air in the leaves. Okay. Now question number 3, activity. वो आपको मैंने होमवर्क दिया है. फाइंड आउट व्हाट डज द वुडपेकर ईट. वुडपेकर एक जानवर रहता है, छोटा सा रहता है. वो क्या खाता है? हाउ डज द वुडपेकर ऑब्टेन इट फूड. वो कहाँ से वो अपना फूड लेता है, ये आपको नेट पे सर्च करना है और वो आंसर आपको फाइंड करना है. नाउ टर्न योर पेज एंड टेक आउट पेज नंबर 90. टेक आउट पेज नंबर 92. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग लिस्ट ऑफ एनिमल्स पिक आउट दोज दैट इट फ्लैश एंड दोज दैट डू नॉट. ब्रैकेट में आपको नाम दिया है, आपको चूज करना है कौन से आपको फ्लैश खाते, जानवर खाते हैं और कौन से फ्लैश नहीं खाते हैं. देयर आर 2 कॉलम्स, ईट फ्लैश, डू नॉट ईट फ्लैश. बराबर है. आपको ब्रैकेट में नाम कौन से दिए हैं? लायन, एलिफेंट, डोंकी, वुल्फ, डियर, शार्क. अभी इनमें से आपको फ्लैश मतलब जो जानवर को मार के खाते उनके नाम लिखने हैं और जो नहीं खाते उनके नाम लिखने हैं। पहले मैं ईट फ्लैश वाला नाम दे रही हूँ, लिखो लायन LION लायन, कॉमा वुल्फ WOLF वुल्फ, कॉमा शार्क SHARK शार्क। हो गया बेटा। अभी सेकंड कॉलम में जाओ, डू नॉट ईट फ्लैश, उधर आंसर लिखो एलिफेंट ELEPHANT एलिफेंट, कॉमा डोंकी DONKEY डोंकी, कॉमा डियर DEER डियर। हो गया बेटा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, a tiger eats flesh and so does a vulture, but there is a difference in their feeding habit. What is the difference? बेटा ये क्वेश्चन को मैंने ओमिट किया, ये इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है, इसको हमने छोड़ दिया है। उसी तरह क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 को भी हमने ओमिट किया है। What major difference between plant and animal did you come to know from this lesson? आपने प्लांट और एनिमल में क्या डिफरेंस देखा है वो लिखना है, जो हमारे अभी आपके लिए इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, उसको हम ओमिट करते हुए आगे जाएंगे। Summative assessment. Give reason. First one, a potted plant is not growing well. It needs help to grow better. उसका आंसर है a potted 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 plant 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 is not 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 growing 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 well WELL well, comma provide 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 enough 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 sunlight SUNLIGHT sunlight, comma water WATER water, TO2 the plants PLANTS। मैं आंसर वापस बोल रही हूँ। A potted plant is not growing well. Provide enough sunlight, water to the plant. Come to the question number B. Why we need food? उसका आंसर है WEV need NEED need, food FOOD food, in order ORDER order, TO2 make MAKE make, our OUR our, body BODY body, function FUNCTION function, properly PROPERLY properly। उसका आंसर बोल रही हूँ we need food in order to make our body function properly। समझ में आया बेटा आपको? Now we will continue with the page number 93। Take out page number 93, see question, why wild animals kill and carry away cattle? आंसर है wild WILD wild, animals ANIMALS animals, kill KILL kill, and carry CARRY carry, away AWAY away, cattle CATTLE cattle, because 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 they 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 are starve STARVED starve, and RARER forced 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 to enter ENTER enter, near NEAR near, by BY villages VILLAGES villages। Again I will repeat the answer, listen properly. Wild animals kill and carry away cattle because they are starved and are forced to enter nearby villages. Now come to question number D. Why do farmers set up a scarecrow and use slingshot when the crops in the field are ready for harvesting? उसका आंसर देखो. Farmers, FARMERS, farmers set, SET set, up, up, a scarecrow, SCARE, scarecrow, CROW, crow, and use, use, sling, 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 shots, SHOTS, shot, when, 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 the, the, crops, 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 in, their, 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 field, 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 RARR, ready, 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 for, FOR, harvesting, 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 to, protect, 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 the, the, crops, 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 from, 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 the, the, birds, BIRDS, birds. Again I will say the answer. Farmers set up a scarecrow and use slingshot when the crops in the fields are ready for harvesting to protect the crops from the birds. Now come to the question number E. Plant make their own food. Answer है air, 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 and and water, 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 come, 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 together, 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 in, the, the, leaf, 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 full stop, in, the, the, presence, PRESENCE, presence of, of, sunlight, 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 plants, 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 make, 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 their, 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 own, 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 food, 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 using, 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 the, the, water, 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 and air, 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 in, the, the, leaves, LEAVES, leaves. Again I will say the answer. Air and water come together in the leaf in the presence of sunlight. Plants make their own food using the water and air in the leaves. Come to question number 2. Answer in brief. What happened to us if we do not get enough food to eat? Answer है we, WEV, will, 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 become, 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 weak, 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 and slowly, 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 and gradually, 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 WEV, will, 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 look, 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 and become, 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 sick, 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 also, ALSO. Again I'll say the answer. We will become weak, and slowly and gradually we will look and become sick also. Now come to question number B of our question number 2. Why do wild animals come to area where people live? The answer is they, 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 RARER, starve, STARVED, starve, so, so, RARER, force, FORCED, force, TO2, enter, 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 nearby, NEAR, nearby, BY, by. Villages, VILLAGES, villages. Will I say the answer? Answer, they are starved, so are forced to enter nearby villages. Come to the last question of page number 93. Why do foxes not hunt a cow even when they enter human settlement? Answer है foxes, FOXES, foxes dare, DARE, dare to enter, ENTER, enter human, HUMAN, human settlement, SETTLEMENTS, settlements, but but RARE, not, NOT, SASS, strong, 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 SASS, tigers, 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 full stop. They, THEY, they cannot, 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 kill, 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 comma, cattle, 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 RARE, mostly, 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 contain, CONTENT, contain, with, 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 stealing, STALING, stealing, foal, FOWL, foal. Again I will repeat the answer. Foxes dare to enter human settlement but are not as strong as tiger. They cannot kill cattle and are mostly content with stealing foal. Now the notes of page number 93 is over. Take out page number 94. We're going to start with the last page notes of combined book, page number 94. That is the last page of the lesson. That is define, that is ऑयल केन एंड एयरबॉर्न. बेटा टेक्स्ट बुक में भी आपका है, अगर नहीं है तो मैं बोल रही हूँ, सुनो. अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है यहाँ पे तो टेक्स्ट बुक में खुल के अगर हमने वो देखा रहेगा तो पूरा डेफिनेशन दिया गया है. ऑयल केक, द THE, द फाइबरस, FIBROUS, फाइबरस, पार्ट, PART, पार्ट, that, 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 is, is, left, 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 after, 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 extracting, 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 from, 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 seed, 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 such, 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 as, ASS, groundnut, GROUND NUT, etc., ETC, etc., is, is, pressed, 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 into, in, TO2, slabs, 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 this, 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 is, called, 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 oil cakes, OIL, oil cakes, CAKES, oil cakes. कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर बी, एम्बॉन. आंसर है, एक मिनट में ऑयल केक का वापस एक बार रीड कर रही हूँ, सुन लो. द फाइबरस पार्ट दैट इज लेफ्ट आफ्टर एक्सट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम सीड सच एज ग्राउंडनट एक्सेट्रा इज प्रेस्ड इनटू स्लैब. दिस इज कॉल्ड ऑयल केक. नाउ कम टू एम्बॉन. अ fermented, FERMENTED, fermented mixtures, MIXTURES, mixtures of oil cakes, OIL, oil cakes, CAKES, oil cakes, comma, jaggery, 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 and and coarse, 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 particles, PARTICLES, particles of grain, 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 mixed, MIXED, mixed in water, 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 and used, 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 ASS, animal feed, ANIMAL, animal feed, FEED. I'll repeat the answer. Ambon, a fermented mixture of oil cakes, jaggery and coarse particle of grain mixed in water and used in animal feed. Now come to question number 4. Write short notes on baby gain height and weight. Answer लिखो. Food, FOOD, food helps, HELPS, helps our, OUR, our body, 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 TO2, grow, GROW, grow. Eat, eat, helps, 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 TO2, repair, 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 the, the, wear, 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 ANN, tear, TEAR, tear. Of, OF, our, OUR, our body, 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 full stop, eat, eat, also, 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 gives, 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 strength, 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 full stop, good, 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 and healthy, 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 nutritive, 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 food, 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 given, 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 TO2, child, 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 from, 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 time, 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 TO2, time, 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 makes, 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 the, the, child, 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 gain, 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 weight, 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 AND, height, 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 AND, also, 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 the, the, child, 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 remains, 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 cheerful, CHEERFUL, cheerful. ओके बेटा, आंसर मैं वापस बोल रही हूँ, सुनो वापस. Baby gain height and weight. Answer है food helps our body to grow. It helps to repair the wear and tear of our body. It also gives strength. Good and healthy nutritive food giving to child from time to time makes the child gain weight and height, and also the child remain cheerful. B1. Food of animals. Horses, 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 eat, 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 Bengal gram, BENGAL, Bengal, gram, 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 soaked, 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 in, water, 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 goats, GOATS, AND, sheep, 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 eat, shrubs, 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 and grass, 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 cat, CATS, cat, drink, 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 milk, 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 full stop, wild, 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 animals, 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 hunt, 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 animals, 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 and eat, 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 there, THEIR, there, flesh, 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 deer, 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 bison, BISONS, and nilgai, 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 eat, 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 green, 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 grass, 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 and leaves, LEAVES. Again I will read the answer. Listen properly. Food of animals. Horses ate Bengal gram soaked in water. Goat in sheep ate shrubs and grass. Cat drink milk. Wild animals hunt animals and eat their flesh. Deer, bison and nilgai eat green grass and leaf. Now the last answer of the lesson is plant food. Answer likho. The roots are OOTS roots of plants 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 absorb absorb water water from from the soil soil full stop there there are many many tiny tiny pores pores or opening opening on the surface surface of leaves leaves full stop air air enters enters the leaves leaves through through this this pores pores full stop in the presence presence of sunlight sunligst comma plant plants make make their their own own food food food. My dear children, the notes are over. I'll just repeat the last answer. Plant food. The roots of the plant absorb water from the soil. There are many tiny pores or opening on the surface of leaf. Air enters the leaf through this pore. In the presence of sunlight, plant make their own food. Try to complete your book. Stay home, stay safe.